Introverts often thrive in environments that allow them to work independently and utilize their strengths, such as keen observation, deep thinking, and focused problem solving. Here are some business ideas that can be well suited for introverts. 1. Freelance writing or copywriting. Introverts often excel in writing, as it allows them to work alone and express their thoughts creatively. They can offer their services as freelance writers, producing content for websites, blogs, marketing materials, or even writing fiction, non-fiction books. 2. Graphic design. Introverts with an eye for aesthetics can start a graphic design business. They can create logos, brochures, social media graphics, and other visual content for clients. 3. Web development. Building websites and web applications can be a perfect fit for introverts who enjoy coding and problem solving. They can offer their services as web developers and work on projects remotely. 4. Content creation for YouTube or podcasts. If an introvert is comfortable expressing themselves through video or audio. Introverts can start a YouTube channel or a podcast on a topic they are passionate about. 5. E-commerce business. Introverts can run an online store selling products they are interested in, whether it's handmade crafts, digital products, or niche items. 6. Photography. Photography can be an ideal business for introverts who enjoy capturing moments and expressing their artistic vision through images. 7. Social media management. While introverts may not prefer face-to-face networking, they can excel in managing social media accounts for businesses, creating content, and engaging with the audience online. 8. Online researcher. Introverts can utilize their research skills to work as online researchers for businesses, academics, or individuals who need information on specific topics. 9. Blogging or content creation. Introverts can start a blog on a topic they're passionate about and monetize it through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. 10. Online tutoring or teaching. Introverts can share their expertise and knowledge by offering online tutoring or teaching in subjects they are passionate about. Online platforms allow them to reach a global audience while maintaining a comfortable environment. 11. Virtual assistant. Introverts can work as virtual assistants, helping businesses and entrepreneurs with administrative tasks, scheduling, email management, and more. 12. Data analysis. Introverts who are analytical and enjoy working with data can offer their services as data analysts, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. 13. Bookkeeping or accounting. Introverts with a strong eye for detail and organization can start a bookkeeping or accounting business, assisting small businesses with financial management. Remember, the key to success as an introvert entrepreneur is to find a business idea that aligns with your strengths and interests. While many of these ideas allow for independent work, introverts can also develop excellent communication skills to interact with clients or customers in a way that feels comfortable for them.